Today I'm going to be showing you, drum rolls, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple and easy sausage and egg frittata. You can have this recipe for breakfast or for brunch. So let's get cooking. This is a recipe for two. So you'll move to the stove top and place a pan on medium-low heat. Then add some cooking oil. Then I'm going to add my onions. Stir. Then you let this cook until soft. Next, I'm going to remove my sausage casing. Now I'm going to put my sausages in the pan. So I'm going to drop them in the pan, and also you can dice them. Stir and let the sausages cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, we are using medium-low flame, so please don't put medium-high or medium. It is medium-low. So I'm using 4 eggs. So take a large bowl and crack in your eggs. To this, I'm going to add coriander. So here I have gourget or zucchini. I'll add the diced ones. Add salt and pepper. So I'm using half a teaspoon of salt for my 4 eggs. Some pepper. So for the pepper, I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk your ingredients until well combined. Check on your sausages, and now, because they're ready, I'm going to add my egg mixture. So I'll add into the pan. Then I'll stir in a little bit, scraping the sides of your pan. By stirring, you're making sure that the seasoning is well incorporated into the dish. So mix, mix, mix. Yeah. So I'll also place my zucchini on top. Cover this and let it cook for around 5 minutes on medium-low. My frittata is ready. Frittata is an Italian dish, so you can add any toppings of your choice to your frittata. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next episode, and ciao!